In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off SafeSearch if it's not letting you turn it off. Now, the very first thing we're going to do is open up an internet browser, and you need to ensure that you're signed in to a Google account. Now, you can only turn off SafeSearch once you're signed in, and once you're signed into your Google account, you can click on your profile icon in the top right-hand side, and you should be able to scroll down and click on SafeSearch. Now, from here, you can just go and select off to go and disable the SafeSearch. Now, if you're unable to select this or it's not letting you turn it off, then the first thing you'll need to do is go and look for a lock symbol on this page here. Now, if you see a padlock symbol on this page, this usually indicates that your account is being managed by someone else. So if you're under 18 years of age, this can be one reason why you're unable to turn off the SafeSearch. So to go and fix this, we just need to type into the address bar familylink.google.com and press enter. Now, once you're on this page, you'll just need to go and sign in to your Google account. Now, we can just scroll down to where it says Google Search and click on this. And you need to make sure that this SafeSearch feature is turned off like so. And this will turn off the restricted mode on the Google search. Now, if it's still not working, we can head back over to the Google homepage. From here, click on your profile icon in the top right-hand side. We're then just going to click on sign out. Now, what you can do is go and sign in with another Google account, and you just need to ensure that you're at least 16 years of age in order to go and turn off the SafeSearch. So it's really as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.